Hello CIS scholars, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. I, Yogita Singh, your English educator. Scholars, in our previous video, we finished till scene 4 and today we are going to start from scene 5. Okay, and our chapter is Birbal and the Washerman. Okay, scholars, so let's start from scene 5. Yes, till scene 4, what we have finished that Denu accepted challenge even though didn't receive any reward from the emperor. Why? Because one of the courtier said to the emperor or suggested to the emperor that Denu was getting warmth from the light of the emperor's palace. Okay, so that's why emperor has not given any reward to Denu. Now let's see. The next day in Akbar's court, all are sitting but Birbal's chair is empty. Okay, this scene is of court, emperor's court. So there everyone were present except Birbal. Birbal's chair was empty. So Akbar said, "Where is Birbal? Why has he not come to court? He is usually punctual." So Akbar is asking question from the courtiers in his court that why Birbal is not here. Where is he? And usually he is coming on time. He is very punctual. So today where is he? Narrator is telling us that when Akbar asked this question, when he asked about Birbal, a messenger arrives. A messengers arrives means messengers are there in court, but they are not sitting inside the court. So he came at that time into the court. Messenger said, "Your Majesty, Birbal is in his house. He says he will be late today." So messenger is telling information that your Majesty, Birbal is in his house. He told that today he will be late. He have some work, so he is not coming on time. Who said this? Who gave this information to emperor, to the Akbar? This messenger. This messenger was sent by Birbal, and this messenger said this information to the Akbar. Akbar said, "Why?" Then messenger is telling, "Your Majesty, he is cooking food and he says that it will take long." Okay, then messenger is telling that why Birbal is not coming. He said that Your Majesty, Birbal is cooking food and he said that this process will take time, means whatever he is cooking, it will take time, so he is not coming on time. He can't be come on time. Who said this? Messenger told. Messenger gave this information to the Akbar. Then Akbar said very angrily. He was in anger by first of all, Birbal is not on time. He is not in court. And second, what a silly thing he is doing. He is cooking something and that's why he is not coming to the court on time. So Akbar was in anger. "What nonsense! I shall go and find out what he is up to." Okay, then Akbar said, okay, what nonsense, what silly things these are. I shall go and find out why he is not coming, what he is doing and why he is not coming on time to the court. The narrator is telling to us. Akbar gets up and walks quickly towards Birbal's house, followed by some courtiers and guards. Okay, then what happened after this? When Akbar said that I will go and find out what he is doing, why he is not coming, then he went to the Birbal's house. He started moving towards Birbal's house and some courtiers and guards were following Akbar. Okay, scholars, now next scene, the scene where Birbal is there. Scene 6. Okay, at Birbal's house, Birbal is sitting near fire on the ground. High above the fire is a pot suspended from a high pole. Okay, like this. Here it's a Birbal house and Birbal is sitting near a fire. This fire and a fire on the ground, and high above the fire is a pot suspended from a high pole. These are the poles. With the help of these poles there is a pot suspended and very far from this fire. Okay, and in this pot Birbal was cooking something, but he kept this pot very far from the fire. So this pot is getting heat but very late. Okay, so Akbar said, what Akbar said here, Birbal, what are you doing? Why have you kept the pot so far above the fire? Okay, Birbal is asking question that if you are cooking anything, then why you have kept the pot so far above the fire? So means what a silly thing you are doing. This was the question from Akbar. Sorry, from Akbar's side. Do you think this fire can cook your food? Then Akbar is asking question again from the Birbal that if you have kept this pot far from the fire, do you think that this fire can cook your food? Then with a smile Birbal is giving answer. What he said that if this fire can't cook the food inside this pot, how can the lights of your palace warm Denu in the cold water of the river? Okay, then Birbal is saying that Your Majesty, if this fire is not able to cook the food inside the pot, then how you thought that light from your palace can keep Denu warm in the cold river water? Okay, so this was the question of Birbal from the Akbar. Okay, this was the question of the Birbal which he was asking from the Akbar. Okay, then Akbar realized. Okay, now narrator is telling us that Akbar realizes that his decision in not rewarding the washerman was wrong and calls for him the next day. Okay, then narrator, after Birbal's answer, Akbar realizes that it was his fault to not reward Denu, because Denu deserves that reward, because light from the palace cannot give warmth to the Denu in cold river water. So Akbar realizes his mistake and he thought that to call Denu on next day. Then this scene is over here. In this scene there was a Birbal's house. Now let's see the last scene of this chapter. Scene 7. Next day in Akbar's court. Okay, now again the scene is of Akbar's court. Narrator is telling us Denu comes with his family to the court. Akbar hands a tray of coins to Birbal, who gives it to Denu. Denu and his family are very happy. All the people cheer and clap. Okay, then what happened in Akbar's court? Denu again came with his family to the court. Means Denu and his wife Kusum, they both were present in the court, and Akbar gives a tray of coins to the Birbal, and Birbal gave that tray to Denu, and it was his reward. It was Denu's reward. So Denu and his family, his family were very happy, and all the people cheer and clap. And as this was the justice which and because Denu accepted and completed that challenge, so Denu deserves that reward. So after getting reward, when Akbar or when the emperor gave reward to Denu, all were very happy. They cheered and they clapped. Okay, scholars, so today our this chapter is finished, and in next video we will start something new, most probably our worksheet. Okay, worksheet from workbooks, and what you have to do, there is one task for you, that you have to read this lesson thoroughly from your textbook. Try to see and listen this video again and again, and try to get some words, some new words from this lesson. Try to find out meanings of that, and we will see workbooks in next video. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.